Hello guys, this is Rake. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you another quick and simple but elegant wall decor DIY project. Let's get started. For this project, I used 3 different sizes glass mirror. The large one is 10 inches in diameter, and the medium-sized one is around 8 inches, and the smaller one is about 6 inches. These are the sizes I already have at home. You can choose whatever size works for you. You also need a foam board to prepare the base. I just used the foam board from Dollar Tree. It works pretty well. To prepare the board, I just lay out the mirrors in the way I want it and trace out the exactly size of the board and used electrical scissors to cut them off. As you guys can see in the video, for the size of the mirror I was using, the Dollar Tree foam board can prepare 2 sets. Electrical scissors is pretty convenient to do this job, but you certainly can consider other tools, whatever works for you. I also used the precision knife to trim off the extra part around the corner. For this design, I prepared 4 sets of 4 panels. I also used half wooden boards to give a little bit more details. These wooden boards are around 1 inch in diameter, and I spray painted them in gold. Next step is to glue the mirror onto the prepared board. I used X6000 and hot glue gun for this step. The next step is to add those gold wooden balls onto the mirror to give extra features to this design. You can design your own pattern how to lay out those wooden balls. My pattern is pretty simple as usual. To glue those wooden balls onto the mirror, I used hot glue gun. It worked pretty well. It's pretty easy, right? Everybody can do it. Hope you guys enjoy the video so far. This is how individual set or panel looks. Now let's check out how the whole set looks. Wow, it looks beautiful to me. I love it. Feel free to let me know your thoughts on today's DIY project. If you are new to my channel, I'm so happy to have you here. If you also like my video, please don't forget to subscribe or give me a thumb up. I will be super excited about that. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good weekend. I will see you guys in my next video.